Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Caribbean Park, St. Mary. Life is all about perspective, and this new construction home is a sight to behold. Starting with the almost 1 acre of land to enjoy, this 4,500 square feet, 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom house comes with a custom built kitchen that is fully equipped with all appliances, open floor plan living and dining area, an abundance of windows to enjoy the natural flow of light. And all this is just some of the amazing features of this home. With second floor patios on the northern side of the home, sit and enjoy the sea breeze flowing throughout. All finishes were hand chosen and imported. The property is being sold with all major appliances, including washer and dryer. The property has recently been landscaped and has a 13,000-gallon reserve water tank under the garage. The rooftop deck is the perfect spot for an early morning sunset yoga session or just simply enjoying the stunning sea views. The property is located just minutes outside of Ocho Rios. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 850,000 or Jamaican $130.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.